Okay, let's quickly look at this triangle here. M 68 degree, x and 2x degree, 2x as an exterior angle. The question here said find the value of m in the diagram. Look at the option here. Okay, before we solve this question, there are theorems we're going to look at now. The first theorem states that the sum of interior angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. That's the number one theorem. Then another theorem again we should also look into is the theorem that states that the sum of the angles in a straight line equals to 180 as well. So what do? I can say that m equals 180 minus 2x. Do you get that? Okay, let me put it through here. Assuming we have this is angle on a straight line. This thing looks like this. Assuming that 50 represents this 2x and m is here. For me to get the value of m, I will say m equal to 180 minus 50. M equals to 130 degree. That 2x has represented this. That's what I did. Since why I left this one this way is because x, we don't know the value of x. So it should remain this way until I know the value of x. Right? Okay. Now, since we know that the sum m is already this, so we're going to add this with this, and equate it to 180 as the theorem states. So we now say 180 minus 2x plus x plus 68 degree equals 180. That is sum of interior angles in a triangle. All right. Minus x plus x is minus 1x. So what I'm going to have is, and 180 plus 68, it will give us 248. So I will write 248 degree minus x equals 180 degrees. All right. Now, I'll say minus x. This 248 will go and meet the same number here because this one is alphabet. I'll have 180 degree. As the number moves, since it's positive, it will become negative here. So, what do I have? I'll have that minus x now will be equal to 180 minus 248. Remember that 180 is smaller than 248. So 180 minus 248 will give us 68. So I'm going to have minus 68 degrees. So what do? This is minus, multiply minus to both sides. Minus will cancel minus. Therefore, x is equal to 68 degrees. But what they ask us to find is m, not x. But since we have already known x and this. So what do? What do? So I will now say that my m now, since look at my m here, I'll say my m will be equal to 180. Remember that is what? 2 multiplied by 68 degree, because this is 2x. My m is this. I just substitute the 68 here. So 2 times 68 is what? So 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13, 136. So m equals 180 minus 136. Therefore, m equals 44 degrees. So the option is option C. Bye.